Hi there, and welcome to this particular comprehension exercise. This is called Captured, and you can see an image of Sean Connery, he was a particularly popular actor in Hollywood, originally from the UK, from Scotland. And his biggest roles to date, I mean, he made many, many movies, hit movies, but his biggest roles were playing the character James Bond. And you may have seen some of the James Bond movies. In this particular script that we've got here, so a script is when a character's name is there at the front, and then they've got their script, in other words, what their character is actually saying. Goldfinger is a villain in this particular movie, and James Bond is caught by Goldfinger while trying to discover Goldfinger's gold processing plant in Switzerland. And Goldfinger captures James Bond, and that's why this particular script is called Captured. Have a read of this. It's very, very interesting, and it's based on the movie called Goldfinger. And good luck with answering some of these questions, and we'll review these in our next lesson. Thank you.